Right, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. So we just finished cleaning this couch, and once again we are at a client's house who is part of the KIC program. Keep it clean. It's a little cute acronym, I know. I came up with it. Don't make fun of me too much. It's kind of witty, right? But anyways, listen, they're getting this rug cleaned totally for free of charge. I've been to their house for the past 4 years or 3 years. And guess what? I always refreshing this rug for them, totally free of charge. This rug is actually really difficult to clean. It's right in front of their doorstep, right here. So it gets a lot of traffic. So this is my second time pre-spraying it, so that way we can get this type of results, right? So look at that difference. I had to make another batch to really get the results we are looking for. So once again, Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners, another client getting benefits from our KIC program. KIC program is when you get your carpets cleaned once a year or every 6 months, you get perks such as this. All right, guys, if you want to be a member, fill in the form and let's do this. Bye.